If you're looking for some great 80s and 90s accessories, you're absolutely going to love these. I'm going to show you everything you get with this. You get a lot of different pieces, which is really nice. So let's take a look. So right off the bat, we got this little plastic chain right over here. Not bad at all. The length is on the shorter side. So I am 5'11". So if I wanted to put this chain on just like this, you'll see goes right to about down here. Not necessarily as long as this one. It probably falls about the same actually now that I'm saying that. You can see right over here, kind of like really nice quality. This is going to be the money chain right over here. So you got those fake diamonds and really nice. I really like these a lot. These are the rings you're going to get. So you get a money ring right over there. Just kind of like this, I don't know, nice design ring over here. And then you got this one over here. Another one over here. We got a little bracelet. This will not fit on my wrist, but maybe you have a little bit of a smaller wrist. That will work for you. And of course, these sunglasses, really kind of like how they do fall. Really, really nice. So if you're going like this, we're doing an 80s cruise night. This would be also great for Halloween. So if you're looking for some great 80s, 90s accessories, definitely check these ones out.